Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fill a shape with color in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to fill a shape with color. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Shapes drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. Now I select the arrow shape. Then draw this shape, click and drag on our mouse. Now we want to change the color or shape with color. Click the shape and go to the shape format menu. Then select the shape fill drop down menu and we can see there are many color. We select the color. Now we can see we change the shape fill color very easily, or we insert shape with fill color. Go back again the insert menu and insert another shapes. Now I select the shape, then go back again the shape fill menu and change the color. Now we can see we insert a shape with fill color very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.